In English, we have easy sentences that we call simple sentences. I am a teacher, you live in Dallas, my friend and I study English. These are simple sentences because they're easy and short. In simple sentences, we can have one subject and one verb. Maybe we can have two subjects and a verb. But in a simple sentence, we always have at least a subject and a verb. We have some sentences that we call compound sentences. And here we use our conjunctions. Fanboys. And in our fanboys, we have and, or, but, so, nor, yet, for. So we have all these words and they have different meanings, but they create a compound sentence. And we call a compound sentence something that has two simple sentences. If I say and, or, but, we need to make sure that we can have a subject and a verb on both sides. So for example, if I say I like Dr. Pepper, that's a good simple sentence. But when we say I like Dr. Pepper, but my friend likes coffee, here we have two simple sentences with but in the middle. By adding the but, we create a longer sentence, and this is now a compound sentence. The word yet has more than one meaning. Here, yet is the same thing as but, which means an opposite meaning. She is sick, yet she is in class today. Excuse me. When we say yet, we need to have two opposites, one on each side. When we say and, be careful with this because we can have a simple sentence or a compound sentence here. We study writing and we study grammar. This is a good compound sentence because I have a subject and a verb on both sides. If I say we study writing and grammar, this is a good simple sentence. For this to be compound, we need to have the subject and verb on both sides. Now if I say we study writing and we study grammar, that's a good sentence. We study writing and grammar, that's also a good sentence. Both are correct, it's just a different way of writing. It's a similar situation with the word or. I will eat pizza for dinner, or I will eat Subway. Or is a choice. When I say I will eat pizza, or I will eat Subway, this is a compound sentence. If you said, I will eat pizza or Subway, this is also a good sentence, but this one is a simple sentence. For this to be compound, it would need to have a subject and a verb on both sides. When we say the word so, it means a result, okay? It is really hot, so I'm using the air conditioning in my car. Let's be careful with the word for, because for also has more than one meaning. For can be a preposition, and for can be a conjunction. Here, we're talking about for as a conjunction, and it means the same thing as because. So think about the word because, and we can use for in the exact same way, okay? I use the AC in my car, for it is really hot. I can just as easily say, I use the AC in my car because it is really hot. Both are acceptable. Remember that for can have two meanings, and here it means a reason. Nor is only going to be used for negative sentences. It can be used like a negative and. Okay? So this one can be a little complicated. If I look at my examples, I say I will not drink Pepsi, nor will I drink Coca-Cola. It means I will not drink Pepsi, and also I will not drink Coca-Cola. After the nor, you're not going to use a negative word because nor makes it negative. So in the first part of the sentence, I said will not. The second part, it needs to be nor will I drink. I know it sounds strange, but that's how this is set up. My other example here said, I didn't eat dinner, nor did I eat lunch. Again, after the nor, I don't have to say didn't, because the nor makes it negative. I didn't eat dinner, nor did I eat. We're not going to say ate, but nor did I, and then the normal verb. And this sentence means I didn't eat dinner, and also I did not eat lunch. I have a few examples for us to look at here. So just as a few ideas for me, remember we're doing compound, which means I should have a subject and a verb on both sides. So for example, I could say, I want to study in university, but I maybe don't have the money. That's one way to finish it. My sister speaks Spanish, and I speak Japanese. Remember, if we're going to do a compound sentence, we need to do a subject and a verb on both sides. My teacher is from Dallas, yet he lives in Frisco now. Tonight I will cook from home, or I will order a pizza. And again, remember, if we're doing a compound sentence, we need to have a subject and a verb on both sides. Okay, so my friend was very sad last night, so she called me. I am studying level 3 grammar writing 4. I want to go to university. Again, please remember, for means the same thing as because, and we need to use a full sentence, this second part here. I can't just say, for going to. That would not be correct. After for, you still need to use a subject and a verb. And for nor, I didn't study Japanese. I didn't study over the weekend, nor did I work. I can't speak Chinese, nor can I speak Italian. We have some words that we call paired conjunctions. Okay? So here, we're just doing one sentence. Both writing and grammar are easy. In this situation, we have two subjects and one verb. The verb is my plural verb. And it's plural because we have two subjects, okay? So if we have a good sentence, we can have a subject, a verb, and an object. Sometimes both and can be used as a subject in the beginning, and sometimes it can be used in the end after the verb. This first example I gave us, we had two subjects, both writing and grammar are. Sometimes we can have two objects after the verb. I like to eat two things. I like to eat both apples and bananas. This next example may sound kind of strange, but if we say not only but also, that means the same thing as both. okay? Even if we have the not, we're saying two things that mean both. Not only my phone, but also my TV is broken. Not only my watch, but also my shoes are new. So not only my phone, but also my TV is broken. This sentence means my phone is broken, also my TV is broken. My watch is new, my shoes are new. One thing that we should remember here is that the verb is going to determine by the second noun. So in this example, my TV is broken. And then my shoes are new. The verb will be determined by the second noun. When we use both and, we'll always use a plural verb, are. But when we use not only but also, the verb will be determined by whatever the second noun is. Here, TV is singular, so is is singular. Shoes is plural, so we need to use are. We can use not only but also to talk about objects. I like to drink two things. I like to drink not only Dr. Pepper, but also water. This sentence means that I like to drink both Dr. Pepper and also water. When we use neither nor, we have two negative parts. Neither McDonald's nor Burger King is healthy. This sentence means McDonald's is not healthy and also Burger King is not healthy. Because we're using neither nor, we do not have to say isn't. By saying neither nor, it makes this sentence negative. So neither McDonald's nor Burger King is healthy. They're both not healthy. Neither my teacher nor his cats are young. The teacher's not young. The cats are not young. And just like the previous one, if Burger King is singular, the verb is singular. Cats is plural, so are is plural. We can also use neither nor as an object. So we have a subject verb, I eat, and then we can use neither nor after it. I eat neither pizza nor burgers for breakfast. And this is a negative sentence. This means I do not eat pizza and I do not eat hamburgers for breakfast. When we say either or, it's going to be a choice. Either Spanish or English will be the number one language in 10 years. Both will not be the number one language, but only one. Okay? Spanish will be the number one language, or English will be one or the other. We can also use this as an object in the end. My teacher will drink either Dr. Pepper or Diet Dr. Pepper tonight. He is not going to drink both, but he'll drink one or another. Here I have some examples for us. Both blank and blank are beautiful places to visit. So for an example, maybe I can say both Dallas and San Antonio are beautiful places. Just an example. Number 3, not only Dallas, but also other cities are in Texas. Maybe neither pizza nor fries are good. So try some of these examples on your own, and I will check them for you.